Hey, I just wanted to talk about my ESK products that I've been using for the past 3 weeks now, and the results have been amazing. I suffer from a bit of sensitive skin, congestion, and also scarring after blemishes, so it's been really helpful to help my skin renew. I always use my step one, which is my cleanser. It has an exfoliating effect, so I use it in the morning and at night, and it just gets rid of, you can feel it exfoliating. It has a tingling effect, and it just gets rid of anything that you've got on from the night or the whole day. In the morning, I then follow it with my Reverse C serum. It's nice and light, and it feels like you're just protected enough. And then I follow it with my step three, which is my zinc shade. So it has a bit of zinc and UV protection and enough moisturization for the whole day. At night, I always use my face wash again right after I shower, and again you can feel it tingling and just getting rid of all the dirt from the day, and you just feel a bit cleaner. And then I use my step four. It's my smooth serum, so again it's very nice coverage. You feel nice and matte. It's not too oily, and honestly I don't even need that much. It says 2 to 3 pumps. Sometimes I use 1.5, and it can cover my face and I feel like I'm protected. Next up, I use my step five, and it's just enough moisturization for when I go to bed, and then I can wake up in the morning feeling good. My skin doesn't ever feel greasy, and yeah, the change has been unbelievable. I can just feel my skin getting rid of clogged imperfections in there by itself much easier. I did all of a sudden, when I start using it, my skin did have a little bit of reaction to the product, but later I realized it was actually getting rid of all the things that were deep within my skin, and after that it's just been renewing my skin. It feels softer and younger, and I'm just so happy with the results. Thank you so much, ESK.